Alright, welcome back to the channel. Part 2 of the disassembly of the bandsaw. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this pulley off so we can take these covers off and disassemble the rest of the saw. So we're going to use a puller. This one's rather big for this, but it's the only one I have that has 3 claw. And we're going to attach it right on here. Get out of the way. Hopefully it's going to fit behind. Get it all lined up and snug. Oh, that one slipped off. Alright, seems like it's snug down there. We're going to take the impact and we're going to try and pull this off. Nice and easy, it's coming off. And there it is, pulled the pulley right off, no problem. We'll loosen that up, take the pin out. Alright, as you can see, we've got the whole saw completely disassembled, and the next step is we're going to start cleaning up all the rust on the major components, and I've already gotten the paint in. Sherwin-Williams matched the paint, mixed it, and put it into spray cans for me, both color grays, the dark and the light, and we should be good to go. Sanding everything down, wire brushing everything down, and then repainting it to get it to restored to its original color, and it should be like brand new when we're done. Well, this is the end of part 2. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll be continuing on shortly. God bless.